to my channel. Today I am going to be doing the upside down makeup challenge. I don't remember who this was inspired by, but I will put it right somewhere down here. I also saw it by Nikkie tutorials, and I again just wanted to jump on the wagon and try to recreate it. So if you want to see me attempt do an upside down eyeshadow makeup, then just keep on watching. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to do is apply primer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and apply some Elmer's glue on my eyebrow. I'm going to draw this eye. So from what I've seen from Nikkie tutorials and James Charles when he just did a collab with Tati and they're doing like drag makeup, I see that they grab the Elmer's glue, just going to get some out, and they go against the hair growth like that. That is a lot of purple, friends. And then they take a this is already a disaster. And you're supposed to comb them up because that's how you get the flattest. And then we're gonna let that's hilarious.
I'm sorry guys, I just think this is like hilarious because I've never seen myself like this.
So what I'm gonna do, I am just going to wait for it to dry and then apply a second coat. Ooh, this dried fast. Okay, so it says to go in, well they said to go in with another coat. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. You are supposed to go ahead and use some loose powder to set it. Very gently. Now that I've reached this point, I am going to be using a good coverage foundation, so I am going to be using my Huda Beauty. Now that I've done my brow, I do, before anything else, want to go in with a loose powder, like face powder. I'm going to be going in with my Park Avenue Princess palette. So I am going to be going in with Princess Cut, which is this one right here. The next thing I am going to do is apply blush. Remember, I am going to be going in with my new deck of Scarlet. And this is the color Bay, which, to be honest, looks pretty intimidating to me because I'm not a blush person.
See it right here, but I mean, still looking browless, people.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this eyeshadow with this eyeshadow. Now I am going to go ahead and bake under my eye really quick. I know I'm just going to apply a little bit just so it'll catch the excess, which means I'll have to put some right here again just to catch the excess. I am going to be going into the color Vibes right here, and that is going to go all over our lid. Using the same brush, I am going to go into the color Bay as a shade, and that is going to go right in our crease. Grabbing the other edge of my brush, which is just a little small flathead, I am going to be going into the shade Zia. And this is going to go all over my lid. Using the top of my brush, I am going to go into the color Balm. And I'm going to draw a line where my crease is. I'm going to be using their liner, which is this one right here, and I'm going to try it. It looks pretty good, so I am going to go ahead and apply mascara. And the one that I use is also from Deck of Scarlet, but we will be putting on Pulsing in just a sec off of camera. Now that I have this and I'm looking really crazy, to be honest, I am going to go ahead and start drawing an eyebrow. Alright, now for the brows. For the brow, I'm going to go ahead and grab a little angled brush, and using my Morphe 35O palette, I am going to be drawing my brow. Guys, I'm giving up on this. I'm going to use this type of brush and just go over my Okay, now going into my deck of Scarlet, going in Vibes. This is going to go all over the lid. And remember, again, using that bay color, which was the blush color. We're going to go right in where our crease would be. Awesome. Now grabbing this side, we are going to go on the part where it would be the lid. Now I'm just going to go in with that pencil and go into Bomb. Now for the best part of it all. I'm going to be wearing some liquid eyeliner.
Now I am going to put on the lashes.
This is so weird. Alright guys, I know that this didn't come out the way that I wish it would have came out. But you know, you work with what you can. Either way guys, this is my fail on the upside down makeup challenge. Don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and hop on the wagon, okay? Hop on the wagon and tell me if you would like me to hop on some more of these challenges. But for the meantime, thank you, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.